So to pair your Apple Airpods with your Windows 10 computer, click on the Start menu at the bottom left part of your screen and type in Bluetooth. You'll see Bluetooth and other device settings. Click on that. If you don't see any of this, it usually means your computer doesn't have Bluetooth and this probably won't work for you. But if you do see this, make sure that Bluetooth is on and you can click on Add Bluetooth or other device. With that clicked, click on Bluetooth in this menu. And now your computer is looking for a Bluetooth device. This is where you grab your AirPods. With your AirPods in hand, open them, make sure that they're in the case and make sure that their light is green to be sure that they're charged. Flip the AirPod case around, you'll see a button on the back. Press and hold that button until the light in the front starts flashing white. Once it's flashing white, your AirPods are now in pairing mode. With your AirPods in pairing mode, go back to your Windows 10 computer, and you should see them show up in this list here now. Click on your AirPods and they'll automatically connect. If you see your device is ready to go and your AirPods are connected, you're good to go. Now let's go ahead and set them up in Zoom. I'm going to go ahead and put them in my ears to make sure that they are on and that they're connected to my computer. We'll go ahead and launch Zoom. With Zoom up, click on the Settings button at the top right part of that screen and go into Audio. So my default settings have already been set up where my AirPods are already connected. If you don't see headset in here with your AirPods, click the drop down and you should be able to see them. It's important that it says headset and not headphones. I found that the headphones don't really work properly for some reason. And same thing with the microphone. Go ahead and click on the drop down and make sure headset is selected as well. And you're all set up and good to go. This is what the AirPod Pro microphone sounds like when paired with a Windows 10 computer. I haven't had a chance to test out the first or second gen AirPods yet, but I'm assuming they'll sound roughly the same. Right now I'm recording this through the voice recorder application on Windows 10, just to give you a rough idea of what the mic sounds like. This may sound a bit different on a Zoom call, Teams call, Skype call, as those programs seem to compress the audio a bit differently. But anyways, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. But as always, we'll catch you in the next one. Later days.